All right. Good morning, everybody. This is the video for Wednesday and Thursday's instructions and assignment. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you got Monday and Tuesday all figured out. So here we go. I saved this as a draft, so it's not going to show up, but you're going to see this post pop up that says Food Chains Gizmo assignment. So that's what you're going to look for on Google Classroom. It should show up right above this. I'll probably post it tomorrow, so if anyone's going ahead and working ahead, they can start it tomorrow. So you'll see this post. Read the instructions. Like it says, it's a Gizmo assignment about food chains. It's really good for you to simulate changing populations and things in a food chain to see how that affects all the other organisms in that food chain. Again, remember to think of energy and matter. Food chains are just a way to model energy and matter moving through an ecosystem, flowing and cycling. So keep that in mind as you do this. But you're going to open up these two links. The second one is a link to the Gizmo page. Remember when you open it up, remember to log in, or else it will only let you do something for 5 minutes. If it kicks you out, all you got to do is log in with your information. If it's not working for you, email me. I can look up your login information and let you know, but it should be the same login as all of your others. So here's the Gizmo. Here's what it looks like. There's different things: table, bar chart, graph. You can change things from healthy to diseased. You can add and remove numbers of these different organisms. And so the other thing you're going to open is this Google slide, which has the worksheets. We were trying to think of a way to get this to work for you without having to print it. And so this is what we came up with. So this is how you're going to complete the worksheets. It should make a copy for you when you open it. And as you see, it looks familiar to the other gizmos that we've done. So you'll just go through this, read the directions. The way that you'll fill it out, though, if you notice it says type here. So if you kind of hover over it and you click, there's a little text box. And so what you're going to want to do is click in there. I like to highlight stuff so that it goes away when I start typing. Did you notice how that worked? Make sure to delete the type here part and then type in your response, your answers. Let me type that back in so I don't mess it up. So you'll just do that for each part. Just click. There should be a text box there. Sometimes you might have to move around to find it. You might want to drag it to be bigger just so it's easier to click inside of it. It's up to you, whatever. Just figure out how to make it work for you. So there you go, little text boxes. Just be careful, read the directions carefully, do what it says. So you'll just have to kind of toggle between this and the gizmo and go back and forth, read it, and then go here and do what it says. Remember, the prior knowledge questions are just to get you thinking about stuff you might know. You're not expected to know this. This is just to see, to get you thinking about what you're going to be learning about. So fill those in the best you can, but don't worry, and you don't need the gizmo to do that. And then the warm-up is where you'll actually go to the simulation and start doing things and testing it out. Remember all the controls. There's tools down here to help you if you need them. There's the reset button, so when it asks you to reset it like it does, remember to read up here. Get the gizmo ready, click reset. That's the thing you'll want to do. And it says check at the bar chart tab, so that's when I just make sure I click up here on the bar chart. So yeah, you can explore. A lot of the gizmo has you like explore stuff, test things out. So just, it'll take some time. That's why it's a 2-day assignment, but it's a good activity to see how food chains work, how populations are affected by other organisms in that food chain. There's this energy pyramid, which you'll learn, I think on the BrainPop video, you saw that. So that you can understand that better too. And then the last thing I want you to do, so after you finish this assignment, after you go through the worksheet and do each of these activities, if you scroll down below the gizmo, there's a little assessment for you to test your knowledge of what you should have learned. And so I would like you to take this assessment. Go ahead and there's 5 questions. Yeah, just 5 questions. Read them, answer them, check your answers, and you can read what they say so that you can learn even more. So that's it. And then when you're done with this, just make sure on Google Classroom, since it's an assignment, you should see something that says turn in over here on the right-hand side. Just make sure to turn it in when you're done. That's it. Thank you very much. Hopefully you'll figure that all out and be able to complete it to the best of your abilities. Thank you for your time. Thanks for your hard work. As I get work turned in, remember to turn things in on Google Classroom and check the work that's being returned to you, please. There's feedback. There's things that you should change just to help you learn it better. So that's it for this week. Have a wonderful Easter break, and we will see you next week. Thanks, everyone. Bye.